Forget about your sales quota or the sales target for a moment. Do you really want to double your sales commission this year? Okay, I'll share you 3 strategies to do that. But I need one commitment from you. One commitment. Hard work. If you are willing to put the hard work, then only watch this video. Otherwise, I don't like to waste your time. Agree? Let's begin. Number 1. Double the number of people whom you meet face to face. This seems obvious, but many salespeople can't do that because they don't have time. I don't have time to meet my clients is the biggest lie many salespeople tell me. If you analyze all the tasks you do, tell me the most important task you do to increase your sales and to increase your sales commission. Making client visits, right? I'll be specific. You have to sit in front of the right people. That's why you have been hired to your job in the first place. All the other tasks, no matter how important you is, secondary. When I work with many salespeople, I realize the biggest mistake they have, they do non-sales stuff like administrative tasks, file work, collecting payments, etc. Now you may ask me, are they not important? My answer is yes, of course. Payment collection and doing file work is important. But you know what? Those tasks can be done even by someone else in your company. But you are the only person who can go in front of the prospects and convince them. So clear out everything. Yes. Talk to your boss today itself and clear out every garbage. Focus on meeting the people, meeting the right people. Number 2, maintain a superb relationship with existing customers. What I mean here by the phrase superb relationship is the unconditional customer relationship. That means you can't have any conditions. That means you can't get upset with your existing customers when they don't give you sales. You can't take rejections personally. Therefore, isolate your relationship with sales transactions. Have a genuine interest in them, no matter whether they give you business or not. Treat them just like your friends, relations, or whoever the person close to you. Most importantly, remember to keep on adding value for them. That's it. Because when you take care of your customers, they will take care of your business. If you want to double your sales commission, I told you you have to double the client visits. Shall I put it like this way? You are a woodcutter. Suppose you cut 20 trees per day. I'll ask you to cut 40 trees per day and then I'm going to double your salary. Fair deal? Right. Now what you are going to do? Shall I tell you what many people do? They start cutting trees from the morning to evening until they get exhausted and fed up of their jobs. But what smart woodcutters do? After cutting every 10th tree, they sharpen their axes. What happens then? They don't get exhausted. They can do it within a shorter time period than the others. They do enjoy their job. Just like the same way you have to sharpen your axe. You have to update your knowledge. You have to upgrade your skills. All my videos include practical insights. No hypothetical scenarios. Spend a few minutes and watch them. Participate in training programs. Read good books on sales and motivation. Get access to inspiring audios and videos. Be a time investor, not a time spender. Remember these 3 strategies. Number 1, double the number of people whom you meet face to face. Number 2, maintain a superb relationship with existing customers. Number 3, sharpen the axe. Good luck.